Tough day today. Minus 1,200 bucks. Market was very choppy, very volatile. We started the day down $800, battled back to just like negative $79 or $71, and then back down minus 1,000. So the first account we ended up not blowing it up, but losing 1,000. Jumped to our next account. We ended up losing 200 bucks in that account, and we're like, all right, let's just call it a day. Let's not be on tilt for the rest of time. So only minus 1,200 bucks. So Monday was an even or flat day, I believe. Tuesday was plus 20 something hundred. Wednesday was plus 20 something hundred as well. And then today minus 1,200 bucks. So overall profitable for the week, which is great, especially considering these signals aren't at their peak yet. They're just about 50% accurate or so. So we need to improve that. But not bad today. We battled some volatility pretty well. As you'll see, there were just like we'd make progress and then bad trade. Progress, bad trade. It was just one of those days for me. So we didn't let that compound into multiple thousands of dollars of losses. We capped it at 1,000, which is great, but more work to do. So I'll let you guys watch the trades inside. Appreciate your support. We are live. Let's go ahead and get a short right here. Sell that. Get set up here. Stop. And I think we're gonna get our stop hit here again. Let's see. Let's see. Hasn't been a great start to the morning so far. I'll show you guys in a second. Let's see what we got here. Oof. We're down 378 to start. So we got to do a little battle back to get going here. Market's been a little choppy on me. 12. All right, let's get everything set up here. Let's move this over a little bit and let's go to YouTube and get everything going, and then we'll get rocking here. Hopefully get to some winning. Jeez. Market has been quite the choppy. Okay, long signal there. I'll probably take that. Stop right here. See if we can get price to run a little bit. And as I mean run like up, not down. Let's see. Creedmoor, good morning, my friend. Let's see, share, copy. Man, this is a tough. Sorry for the delay, everyone, but this is a tough start to the morning here. Jeez. Oh, we're close. Yep. I think we're down 550. Yeah, we got to get our act together here. Okay, short and short. Oh, I can't take that now. We missed that one. All right, so we got to climb back 500 bucks here. Otherwise, we're going to be sitting in not so good waters. So kind of seeing this as my area of support and resistance, or area of like choppiness. Let's see if price can kind of get out of here and go. If so, great. If not, it is what it is. We'll just have to wait. We've been real choppy in here, and that's cost us a little bit. J Stores, what's going on? Oh, shoot. Do that. I believe my audio was good, but I'll double check really fast. How we doing with audio? Good. All right. Okay, GPT likes a long here. Jump into that. Oh, man. Fast moving. Wanted to get into this one and see if price could run for us, but it has not. Okay, we'll set a tighter stop here. Let's see what price wants to do. There we go. Had to manage through some choppiness there, but solid trade. Really wicky here. Okay. Long signal here again. Let's go ahead and take that. Hit. Too tight there, I think. Let's see. No more real news today. New signal here. Let's see. Short. Okay. I'm not going to bet against this one just yet. I'll take a sell right there, though. Okay. The reason I didn't want to get into that trade while price was flying was because of this. I thought if price flew up, it would continue to fly. It didn't, but I should have sat there and waited because that one's going to sting a little. So bad trade there. We knew better than to do that. Got to get our head together here a little bit. 30 seconds. I did incorporate Grok into this a bit, but it's not. It doesn't give me better signals than GPT does. I thought it would, but in like some of the testing stuff I was doing, it kind of did, but in actuality, it doesn't. So that will be removed here later today, tomorrow. Let's see. Okay. Let's go buy right there. Stop. Can this one move up for us a little bit? It did. Good. Nice. Okay, we're back down 508. Neutral signal here, so we're not going to take it, but it looks like a long would have been really advantageous for us. Ooh, we're past VWAP, so that helps. Let's see if price can accelerate and get back above 19,005, which is kind of where VWAP is right now, ironically. So that's our psychological level there that we'll kind of watch, the even number there. And we have price flying past VWAP, so this will be fun to watch and see. Damn, we could have been in that trade though. That'd have been pretty cool. All right, so okay, signal there. Morning, Kyle. All right. All right. Very cautious on this next candle here. 2 seconds. Flat and long. Jump into that. Set the stop and see what we have here. Small victory there, battling back. We're down 5. Now we really got to hit a ton of profit here today because we're battling back. I'll wait to see if you're a good signal or not. Okay, we'll call you a good signal. New signal here. one's a little far gone for us to jump in. So we'll wait. My ATR is sitting at 26. It's coming down pretty quick. So we might jump into one mini here potentially a little sooner than we did yesterday. So we'll see. Okay. Wow. All right. Now, if I've learned anything from trading these signals, when we get these big reversals like this, it's best just to sit back and kind of wait to see what is going to come next. So if price were to get below here, we'll take a trade. If price gets above here, we'll take a trade. But when I get these big candles, I just need to wait and see what happens. So this one's going to call for a short, which is fine. So we'll kind of just watch this a little bit. Looks like a pretty decent signal here. But we're going to wait for price to break below basically 19,005 or above 19,537, which isn't much room. Basically, it's one candle, one decent sized candle. But that's kind of what we're dealing with right now. So let's see. Okay. Pretty good signal here. Not a whole lot going on right now though, so we'll just have to wait. Okay. 19,500 level still flat for us. So let's see if that'll be. Let's see. Holding quite nicely here. Okay. So I would call all of these pretty good. Well, this one good. We'll see about these two. Okay, actually pretty solid. Not so good. Okay, so 6 points there versus, well, I told you guys it'd probably just be one candle before we got out of this thing, and it kind of looks like that's what we're getting. Now it's going to be tough here because I'm not sure if price wants to keep going like this or not. So let's just be patient and see what we get here. New signal. We'll go along with that. Let's just see how this works out for us. Look, stop was a little tight. Probably could have had a little bit more on that one. A lot more on that one. ATR is back at 30. Okay. Good signal there, but pulling back. This is kind of what I was assuming would happen, is a decent pullback. I wasn't sure if we would get the green movement first, then it would turn red, or if it would be kind of like it opens up, runs up a little bit, and comes straight down. So a solid signal there because it was a good trade. But let's see where price falls here. Okay, GPT likes a long again in a neutral. So we'll wait on this one. I actually don't mind going long here, but let's see what we got. Decent little move there. All right. Yeah, unfortunately, Grok didn't do a whole lot different than what ChatGPT thinks, so not very useful. Thought it would be, but we tested Gemini, Claude, which is Anthropic's model, and all against ChatGPT, and the results were just okay. They weren't great. It was pretty much the same. Everybody kind of thought the same, so no real edge there. GPT likes a long here. I don't know if I agree with that. Grok likes a flat. Okay. Well, that buddy, that's wrong. Um, okay, that's a quick little move. We're back to this range again. Back to the range we ran away from. So we'll kind of see where this takes us. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. So we'll see if we can get price to kind of run away from this level and start to make some new moves, or if we're just going to continue to chop. So let's find out. Okay. Take a sell right there with the stop. There we go. Okay. Down 410 now. Battle back a little bit. Good trading there. Nice candle movement. Headed right back down to VWAP. And let's see if we can cross through that 19,500 level. Again, markets are down pretty deep today, or they were down a little more. We rallied up, which is good, but not a whole lot going on right now. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wow. Go sell right there. Stop. This one's tricky because I'm expecting it to run, but man, I really don't want to deal with this much drawdown if we have to take it. Let's see. There we go. Nice. We're down 309. It's another $100 trade there. That was good. Okay. Good signal. New signal coming here. Just still learning how to use these signals the best way. Let's see what we have here. Another short, I assume. So we're going to wait for price to pull back here. If it can't, then we won't take the trade. So it's kind of gone. Okay. Signals are a little late. We can work on that. Well, that's a crazy, crazy signal. My crazy trade here. Oh man, we really want to see price get away from VWAP. Anytime VWAP's flat and we're trading near it just gets really annoying. It gets really hard to get a nice flow of price. So we kind of had it here, nice little push down, but then we had price immediately just ram back up. So let's see what ChatGPT likes here. It should like a long, if I had to guess, but low confidence on this long. Okay. Hmm. Okay. It's a good signal so far, though. J Stores, you're correct. Christopher asked, where do I find the signals? Not available just yet, Christopher. Coming soon, but not available just yet. I'm gonna call that a bad signal. New signal here, long and short. I'll take the short here. Let's see. Small victory there. 303. Technically, the long was right, but we'll wait to see this thing play out fully. Thanks, Christopher. Appreciate you, my friend. Happy to have you. Um, JSTOR. So one of the things that I have to still implement that just is a little more challenging than I thought it would be, but it makes sense, is having like true machine learning. I thought we would get something like that this week. Really didn't get progress on it like I wanted, which is annoying. We have a long signal here. We can buy that right there. This one is going to be one of those where, yeah, I'm going to have a tight stop here if I want to do anything positive with it. I thought this thing would move a little faster up. Okay, we're down 395. Okay, we'll take a $90 loss. That's fine. Not upset with that. Ooh, yeah, really bad signal. Okay. It was a low confidence signal. I will grant that. I will grant you that. Let's see, where are we? Testing this, so we broke the 19.5 level, or at least we tried to. Now we're kind of sitting, we're waiting for that 19,475 level to do something. So let's see what price has in store for us here. New signal here in 3 seconds. Okay. Go sell right there, stop. And let's see, I kind of chased this one a little bit. I thought I was gonna have a decent entry. Let's see. There we go. How? No, break even on that one, nothing really. This is technically a good signal. Unless price reverses up, then it's not. But good signal. We just got in really late. Damn. I really thought price was going to run there, so we are around VWAP, but damn, I thought we were going to get a nice. All right, so 13 there. Kind of even, actually. I think I'd rather have ChatGPT call this a long or short than a long, but not the best of signals. Let's see if price can continue its downward move here. Okay, 35 says short. Not getting in the way of that one, not yet. All right, so we found our new choppy zone here, which is pretty much VWAP, but I'll kind of meet it halfway. 1 second. Can't fucking see. Oh, Amazon. Okay, nice little push down there. My wife Sarah likes to order a lot from Amazon. I wasn't sure who was at my door. What the hell's going on? Let's see. All right. Don't know if I like a short here just yet. That's a good signal though. But let's see if we can. Okay. Missed it. Missed it. I wanted to click it and I just missed it. Ah, shoot. Good signal here. Both you guys. Really good signal. Okay, so now we have, assuming price doesn't just immediately reverse up, kind of have a new formation here of price. So um, we had price move up nicely. We had price move down here nicely. Chop in the middle. Chop a little nicely move here. Nice decent move. Chop, and then now we're making a new move here, which is good. Okay, got price making a wick here. That's totally fine. I'm okay with that. Anticipating a short signal here. Let's see. Okay. Sell with a stop. Whoa. Okay. Well, that didn't go my way now, did it? We're down 394 here, or 398. Damn. Okay. So I kind of thought that we would get price to stampede down. We didn't get that, not yet. I think that's coming. I really do. We were late, or we were early, I guess. All right, let's see. Let's see. So I still like shorts here, even though price is running up. Still like a nice short here. Matter of fact, give me that right there. I can get price back down to even. I'll take it. Let's see. I might have been wrong twice. Let's find out. This is too aggressive of a trade. ChatGPT likes to short here too, which is good for me, but I probably jumped into this one a little too aggressively. Not getting price to hold much. Yeah. Okay, we're out 555. So we lost $55 there. Getting our ass kicked right now. You were a bad. No. Actually, you're a good signal. You're just too early. I was too early. Good signal here. Man, we're really getting crunched. Okay. I'm not sure if it's my fault or the AI's fault. It's probably my fault, honestly. Trading pretty poorly here. 229. All right. New signal time. Flat. Okay. Okay. I would like to see some of these flat signals be potentially like reversal signals. That'd be cool. I'd like it. I'd really like ChatGPT to be forced into making a decision more than anything. But I'll live with a low confidence. Kind of just don't know what we're gonna see here. Just wait a little bit, kind of thing. Okay, price breaking that little structure again. We haven't had smooth price action yet, which would be nice to get. So it's been a little rocky, which is fine. We just got to deal with it the best we can. All right, so price makes a low, nice little low here, jumps back up. Let's see what price wants to give us here. New signal in 3, 2, 1. Morning, Ron. What's going on, my friend? I've got a short signal. We'll sell that right there. Stop. And we're not getting that early price movement that we like to see, where price just kind of runs. We're not seeing all of that yet. Let's see. I really don't want to place my stop too aggressive because we have price jumping around so much. So I really need to see price make a move first. Let's see. And the move is against me is what it's been recently. Good. All right, nice. Not much here, but it's better than a loss. There we go. All right. Okay. Back down to just 5. We gotta come back here a little bit. We gotta make it come back here. Good signal there. Price kind of just dancing right here. Sell again. I wasn't able to catch this one. Good signal though. Great signal. Wasn't able to catch that one. Let's see if price can actually break these lows here. We've been getting like price sets a new low and then dance a little bit, and then we get something again. So kind of same thing here, right? This candle is more or less what I'm looking at. Price makes a new low on this one, tests it here, test it again, then we break through. And then we get price to make a new low kind of right in here, test it, and we kind of make a new low here, test it again, test it, and then we kind of make a new low here. Let's see if we can get price to really break and run. Let's see. Sun's coming in hot, huh? All right. So it looks like we're probably going to get something like that. 8 seconds till the next signal. Good morning, Ron. Okay, obvious short. Go ahead and sell that right there. Stop. And then let's see if I'm going to get in on the worst possible candle to do this on. I need price to run quite a bit for me. Good. Good. Nice. Back down to just 421. So good trade there. Sell signal there. See if we can get price to run past our open is all we need. It does. It did. It was trying. Yeah, that's going to cost us. That was an error on my end. We're back down to 560. All right, so we gave a little back. So good signal, good signal. We're gonna start with a bad signal here. Let's see if this one gets any better. So this is kind of our new low here that we're watching. And then I put my high probably like right there. Kind of what I'm thinking. So if price gets above that, I'm okay with taking some longs. If price dances in here, then we'll wait. But we're getting basically 1 or 2 candles of movement and then reverse up. Couple of candles, reverse, couple of candles, reverse. And so this can be really tough price action to trade because it doesn't look like it would be. But if you're trying to scalp or just find a little bit of movement, um, having candles that look like they could be a nice trending move and having candles that kind of look like they could be reversals altogether is going to be really tough to trade. So 944, we get 2 sell signals again. Okay, so you're a bad signal. Let's watch and wait for these. Okay, let's see if we can continue price to get lower here. And we'll just see what we have here. Okay, let's see. Not a bad signal, honestly. It's just not the price action that you'd really want. 13 points versus this is going to be a good signal. It just looks funny because we kind of know where price is trying to go here. Okay. Mm. Flat. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Nice. We got price rolling back up, which is good. Definitely don't want to get caught in one of these type of candles where price rolled up real nice here, and then boom, we get punched back down. We definitely don't want one of those. So let's see what price wants to give us here. 10 seconds to our next signal. As you can see, grok just isn't really useful. So, okay. Long signal here. We're going to set our stop moderately tight and just see if we can get price to roar for us. It does. Nice. Good. Let's bump up our contracts to 8 instead of 5. Okay. Good signal here, bad signal there. Good, good, good. Thank you. Actually, might have to flip those over. Let's see what we have. This is what I was afraid of, or at least kind of thought could happen, is price might push up and then immediately pull back. I don't know that we have enough pullback to call this a bad trade. Let's see. So there's 5 points there and there's 10 points here. That's a good signal. We have price above our zone here. I don't know if it'll hold or not, but okay, never mind. You're a bad signal. You're a good signal. Trade of 8. All right. What do you think, GPT? Ooh, there goes price. I want to sell into that, but I just can't. I want to, but I just can't. So again, we have price fighting, and really we've got this level down here, this 19,400. That's kind of in the back of my mind too, is we got this low, this level here where price did kind of breach it and come back. And not only did it breach and come back, it like ran past and then it like exploded away. I mean, just gone. Um, Basically like 5 candles to VWAP kind of thing. It was crazy. So we had this price action before, and we had price much lower, 19,000, almost 300. We tested the 300 level. We weren't too far from it. So I kind of have this same region of air of nonsense. Let's see. Let me go get this. So kind of the same-ish area. So we'll just wait to see what price wants to do. New signal here. I'm going to call that other one good. I don't mind that. And then we'll call you good to start. These two are good to start. Let's see what happens next. So I want to be a little bit more cautious with our, our trades here. Close out trade of 8, which is great. Definitely want to do that. Luckily, we're not trading anything. Yes, this is the account. Okay, we're down 532. That's right. All right, good. Okay. New signal here in 2 seconds. Let's go sell right. Hello. I wanted to sell, but my buttons weren't working, apparently. Might have to miss this one. Could have been a blessing. I don't know. We would have probably had our stop place. That's good. But so price test this low, this 400 level again, which is fine. But we were able to get about 13, 14 points out of that move. So that'd have been a worthy trade for us to take. We just didn't get the ability to take it. So that's annoying. All right. Price popping up here. I'm gonna change this to 1 really quick just to make sure my shit works. All right, good. Actually, good trade. Let's go 7 here. Not 71, just 7. Okay, short. I don't know if I love this yet. Okay, we'll wait. This is pretty typical, I would say. Sometimes we have all 5 correct, sometimes we have all 5 incorrect, but I would say 3 out of the 5 signals we get are going to be correct. Like that's kind of typical. So we might make a couple modifications to what I add to this to the scripting to maybe try to improve some of that, but not terrible. And our win rate should be in the 70s. I'm not sure what it is right now. It probably isn't great, but okay. Looking like we have price maybe trying to break ahead here. Let's see. New signal. Short. Okay. That's a tough one, ChatGPT. I don't know if I believe in it. I'm gonna wait. Disagree. Now we still have price trying to make, and hopefully we see it here, but trying to break above these wicks and maybe get, there it is. So, but yeah, that'd been a bad signal for us to take. That is crazy. That is crazy talent. Look at this. Boom. 38 points. ATR definitely jumped up. So the low of the ATR was 25, 24. Makes sense. All right. Man, we've got just a ton of, let's see, 10 seconds here to our next signal. This is the price action we're kind of dealing with. So I don't know. 3, 2, 1, new signal here. ChatGPT likes a short. Not as much confidence here. Dude, what is going on? I can't take more than 5 contracts. I see. I see what that is. Good thing we didn't take that short. That's a terrible call as well. We got no loss here. For whatever reason, TopStep doesn't recognize your oh, I'm on NQ. And I'm on MNQ. What the hell? For some reason, TopStep does not recognize anything above 5 contracts. And so if you're trading micros, at least in my account, I don't know what this is, but in my account, I tried to trade 7 micros, couldn't pull it off. It keeps getting rejected. Because I guess you can only trade 5 contracts, period. But I don't know why it's not recognizing the fact that I can't trade. That's weird. Wow. All right. Actually, that wasn't a bad signal by GPT though. Go sell right there. Stop. We'll stick with 5 and we'll jump to 1 here if we get some rhythm. Yeah, we're not getting the rhythm right now though. That's the problem. Man, tough morning here. We got to battle back. Got to battle back. We can't fold. Man. Sorry, I missed it. Good morning. No, good morning, my friend. Only the X platform can give you the 1 to 10. I see. Jay Stories, I got you, my friend. Yes, you're correct. Yeah, so weird. Which that's not true on Apex, is it? Like I'm pretty sure you can do as many as you want. I don't know. I'm not sure. I truly don't know. Long here. Let's go 5. Buy. Stop. We're getting crunched. We're down 7, 8, 820. Hey, we got $180 to play with here. Rough morning here. Dang. All right. Okay. Short. Go ahead and sell 5 right there. See if we can get some of this back in our favor here. Okay. Small. $1, really? I feel like my stop was, this is one of the tough parts about trading micros is there's so much commission that you have to pay that sometimes your break evens just, they don't cut it because you pay a bunch of commissions. But okay, let's see. So we got price right around VWAP. Fun. Let's do this here. Okay. GPT likes long and short. That's fun. So we'll wait for that to play out. The short looks really good. The long looks not as good. Huh. All right. Okay. Back to our zone again. Very familiar with this one. So limit, or not limit, but bottom there, top somewhere up there, kind of where we came from. Price wants to stay below VWAP, it appears, but I don't know if that's going to be true. New signal here says short. And can we get price to move just like a bit? Threatening low, threatening low. There we go. $50 there, I think. 811, not even. I really would like to jump to one full mini, but I don't have enough room in this account to get this done. I don't know that I've got enough drawdown to really, let's see, drawdown, how much daily loss limit? Yeah, I'm threatening my loss limit here. Good signal. Ass trade by me, I guess, but good signal. Okay. If we can get a little room, maybe I can go and get myself a, we gotta hit a decent trade here. So sell right there, stop. See if we can get price to extend beyond our open a bit. That would be what I meant. Okay. All right, let's go to NQ. Let's see if, not that we need to trade bigger size, but we need to do something here. Fuck. Oh, you're so touchy. Why would you open up this way? All right. Not 5, just 1 contract. That was a good signal. I've got price kind of making new lows. And by new lows, I just mean like recently. This is what I mean, just recently. Not new lows on the day or anything like that, just recently. Okay. Okay. Anytime I see a candle close kind of inside of a wick, that lets me know price is getting a little choppy. There's still money to be made here if you got in on the open, you know. But I mean, if you got in and got out quick. But anytime you see price kind of trading within itself, that's when things get a little hairy at times. And so we'll see where this candle takes us. That was how many points here? 14. Okay. All right. So we'll wait. Yeah. Probably going short on that would not make sense. ChatGPT is 6 seconds late. That's not great. We'll speed up the signals once Grok gets removed. These Grok signals get removed. So we'll get that one going. We'll get that going. But so I'm not worried about that. But that would not be a good trade to get in on, now would it? Hmm. Okay. 3, 2, 1. long, stop. Okay, we're down 759 right now. Good trade. Okay, small one. Not it. Price is moving really fast here, so just got to see what we got. Take what we can get. Okay. Long again. Long and neutral. I'll go a stop right there. Decent entry. Let's see if price can hold a bit and run up. Nice. I thought it was going to go 739, 38. Fudge. I thought it was going to go, and it kind of did, but it moved so fast that like there wasn't a chance for us to place our stop and capture any of this value. So now we're really chopping. So let's kind of reestablish what we want to do here. So kind of I'm seeing the top is somewhere up here. So somewhere like here. And then the bottom I'm looking at is not down here. It's probably more like right here. It's kind of how I'm looking at this. I hate having to trade choppiness like this because it makes for having to analyze the charts, and that's not what I want these signals to be. But it's kind of where we are right now. So let's see what price thinks or ChatGPT thinks, and we'll trade from there. Okay, new signal. If it said short, I would take that. Yep. Okay, short, stop. Oh man, it really did extend, and then it's just pulling back so fast. Oh, man, $10 there. Like, tough, tough. Price is just jumping. I don't even know if that's a good signal. Uh, 7 compared to it's an even signal. Whatever the candle closes at, I'll consider. Hmm. We'll take a minute here. Kind of wait to see. This is the lowest the ATR has been, though. I would say in the morning in a bit. It's been we'll call that a bad signal. Yeah, this is the lowest the ATR has been for us. So this is kind of new territory. Pin that message every time. Thank you, One Eye. Haven't haven't been in your lives before, but seen watching your shorts. Good morning, Hayden. Good morning, my friend. Happy to have you. Happy to have you, my friend. Thank you. The shorts. The only reason I make the shorts is to bring you guys here and introduce you to what I'm doing. Although YouTube isn't a huge fan of the way I make my shorts, so I got to figure out a new little combination of things. All right, so we're gonna wait for this signal here and wait for price to do something. It's got to get above here, below here, and that's ridiculous. It just jumps like that. Right now we have price moving, but I would say, I mean, just pretty randomly. I don't know if volume's light, but we definitely have a ton of volatility. So a lot of back and forth going on here. I can just tell you right now that that signal's not good. You were actually decent. And then you are correct. We'll call this one correct, I think. Let's measure it out. Measure it out. 12 versus 16 points. Okay. Unless this thing falls even deeper, that would not be good. Let us find out. Sell signal here. Short. Stop. All right, can we get price to extend out of this little box here is the question. Small win there again. We're up to 7. We're down only 700 bucks now. We were down 821. It has been chop, chop, chop. But this could have been a much better signal than that could have been a much better trade than I gave it room for. This looks like price action that I would actually trust. I would prefer if it didn't eat up this entire candle on this one, because I think price is going to get back down to down to here, set 420 or so. New signal here in about 5 seconds. So let's see if we get that. Yeah, 425 or so. Okay. Sell signal there. I'm gonna jump in as a short. I'm gonna chase this one a little bit. I think price could extend. There it is. Okay, we're up back to 631. Small-ish trade there. Good signal. I hate that we're just like chipping away, but we'll do what we have to. So here's what price is kind of looking like. So we bust out of our low here, which is good. Back to these levels up here or down here. So we have 402, it looks like. So 19,400 is that level that we need to keep an eye on. $26 points. We did not capture anything near 26 points on this trade. That's no fun. All right, new signal here in 3, 2, 1. New candle. Go sell right there. Stop. Let's see if we have ourselves price pulling back or if we can jump in and capture some value here. There it is. Holy cow. All right. Back to 565. So we battled back about 300 bucks, which is good. Good signal there. Had to deal with a little bit of drawdown that I didn't think I was going to get. So that's, a little concerning, but that's fine. So price breaks through our 19,400. I don't know if it holds, but it definitely busted through. And we're definitely not catching all of these candles movements here. We're not catching even like half. So we got to improve that big time. Okay. Sell signal there. Stop. Let's see if we can get price to extend some more. Well, that was crazy. We had no shot at capturing that. But we're back down to 454. So that's good. About 400 bucks of profit here recently. We're doing better. Oh, Grok. I thought Grok looked promising on some evening tests. Shitty in real time. Okay, I've got myself a short signal here. This one could be trouble, I think, though. Let's see. Yep. Here, lost about 100 bucks there. We're back to 619. Okay. Fine. Bad signal here all around. Let's see. About 5 seconds to our next signal. And I'm wondering if GPT wants a short here, which would make more sense, or if we want a long. Let's see. neutral, okay. I would have called for a short, but okay. Okay. New signal here, short. Man, it would have been sick to capture that value on that candle when it was green. I think we have a chance at being profitable here. I just would have liked to have had a better shot at making more money. Good. Let's get some of that loss back. Whoa. Nice. Okay, we're back only down 368 now. Had I given that a little bit more space, I think I would have captured some more of this. That would have been nice. And it hurts actually now looking at it. I can't look at it anymore. I'm not looking at it. I can't look at that. Make me sick. That was about 300 bucks there. Um, but it's tough when you see price, especially when you don't, when you like, it just kind of flicks the whip down there because it did happen, but it happened way too fast for even Tradevate to show. Kind of same thing happened here. It's like your stop's probably going to get hit if it's not super tight. So we got to make it tight. Okay, I got a sell signal here that I cannot catch. Unfortunately, move way too fast, and this is what I was fearful of: was price pulling all the way back. So good stuff there. We're trading back a little bit, which is good. All right. Sell signal there. Entry wasn't great compared to what I thought I was going to get when I clicked it. So let's see if we can get price to move a little bit for us. It did. Okay, got hit. That's fine. I'll live with that. We're down. We're up to three. Fuck. 347. We have done, I would say today is one of the examples where we really haven't done a great job of capturing all the value on these candles. Now, based on the way that I set my stops, I like these are going to be days where it'll just be a little tougher for me to um, to capture that value. When price moves fast and bounces back, or it rolls up again, then drops, and rolls up again, and then drops down some more, that's going to be tough for me because I don't necessarily, especially when I was down 800 bucks, now we're only down three and change. But like, I don't want to risk having a nice big old stop and getting hit. Let's see what we have here. Short again. Not a whole lot I can do with this one. I'll have to just wait. So price has, even though it doesn't look like it, price is really settled kind of right in here. And so let's wait for the next candle to see if this will, roll up a little bit. While I do that, I'm going to run and get some more water really quick, and I will be right on back. Let's see if I can move my face so you guys can see the screen or see the signals a little better. All right, one second. All right. Didn't miss a whole lot. This signal's incredible. This signal is bad, bad. And 15 was good. Okay. Interesting here. I've kind of got price trying to move up, but now we have price rejecting this level here. Basically rejecting 400. Close to it. It's not there yet, but close. Next signal here in about 10 seconds. So let's see what comes of this. Neutral and down. I'll take a sell right there. Let's just see if I can be what we're going to be here. Okay, tight stop and hit. Okay. 326. Hmm. So far, this one's right. Let's see if it's wrong, though. If it becomes wrong. Hmm. We'll officially mark that as wrong. Looks like we're trying to build up to that 400 level again. And don't know if we're going to get it. So I'm not going to take this one. I've learned my lesson. So in the past, as in yesterday and the day before, we've taken trades on this hoping to catch the bottom and then try to ride it back up because ChatGPT gave us a long here. But for today, maybe from here on, instead of trying to time this right, I'm just going to take a trade that doesn't move against me as fast. I don't mind entering, I want to enter long trades on a red candle, but not when price has just like bullied its way down first. Like that isn't, there's no way to tell if this thing is actually going to turn into something like this or if it's just going to be a wick that ends up running back. It's hard to tell. So waiting around for that candle and we'll see what happens here next. Okay. I've got a long signal here again. ChatGPT really likes a long here. I don't know. I'll jump in there though. I don't love it, but I'll jump in. Okay. Put my stop kind of mid to low, candle low there. And it's going to get hit. Yeah. Okay. We're back down to 550. Okay. All right. That one I thought moved a little slower, but that's exactly the type of trade that we want to try and avoid. That one didn't look like it was going to continue to keep coming down in my defense, but that's the type of trade that we maybe want to hope to avoid. We do hope to avoid. Okay, there and there. We've had price just kind of cluster a lot. We've had a ton of price. We get like good trades here, maybe even here too, and then we get a bunch of just chop. And so we have to wait and see what this chop does first before we can get it going. So we basically test that 19,400 level and it didn't do much. Now let's see if we get ourselves a short here and if we can take this one to the bank. Sell, stop, and $4.95, 60 bucks on that. So decent execution there, but I did not get price to extend way down to where I thought it would. We rejected, and we've been playing with that 400 level, that 19,400. Price does not really want to cross that. Um, Price is dancing more so at, sorry, this level right here, kind of like in here. I'll just mark this wick as a low here. And so we just gotta wait and see. Yeah, this really is the structure, but it's fine. I'll put an extra one there and an extra one here. And so we just have to wait. Price will leave this thing, but we have to see what it does first. Okay. 22 was a decent, I'll call 22 good. And I'll call this one bad. Again, we're working to make these more accurate. Like we have, I think, decent accuracy. I know today has not been a great example of that so far. Since we're waiting around for price to make a new move here, let's look at the stats. They aren't pretty, but I'm not afraid to show you. 58 trades, 39 wins, 67% win rate. So we hover around 70 pretty good. I think we had one trade that's a break even. So we hover around 70 pretty nicely. We haven't had too crazy of wins or losses. So 255 our biggest win, 222 our biggest loss. We've paid, I think, a decent amount in commissions. This is kind of what I'm looking at here. So that makes it tough. Like, anytime your P&L is low or close to break even and your commissions are high, it's going to be tough. So we need to catch some bigger trades to get us back going in the right direction. But our accuracy is still there. 2 out of 3, 3 out of 4. Like we're kind of sitting in that spot. I don't mind that. Right, ChatGPT, why didn't you like a long on any of these, by the way? Let me understand. Damn, price is skying. Wrong, 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 wrong. Okay. Back to that 400 level. Back to it. We touched it and then we run away. It's kind of been the mantra for today. But we'll see what we can get though. What the fuck? What is this? You know what's crazy is, well, no, I can't mark it. It's a neutral, but I was gonna say ChatGPT didn't recall that. Now this is the one. This is the one that I'm talking about. So I want to go short here desperately. I'll take it. Now let's see if this one bites my ass again, like it always does, or if we can be right on one of these for once. There we go. Finally, we get one of these right. Finally, we get one right. Back at 304, solid trade there. Um, that was one where historically we typically lose those. New signal here. Go and sell again. I was gonna move my stop a little bit, but now back to just down 234. I was gonna move my stop up just a little to try and see if we could just dance around price. And of course, good chat GPT there. Good. All right. Getting a little better. This candle here, where we have price roll up. So, how much time do I have on this next candle? I have a lot. Okay. Price rolls up 13, 14 points before pushing back down just 12. And historically, these types of trades, ChatGPT goes short, but price is rampaging, and so I typically go short, but get caught in just the crossfire of price moving really, really fast. That was one of the first trades that I was able to get that right. So that's nice. Sell again. This one could be the one that ends up burning our ass. Let's see. Why don't you go test that low wick down there? Let me go see. Go see what it's about, and I'll put my stop right above. Yeah, this is the one I was referring to. This is what I'm talking about. Damn it. All right, we're back to 3. All right, that's not bad. 393. You're bad. Well, this is the game price plays, and it's hard. It's not hard to see it, I guess. Now that I know and kind of have the rhythm of what ChatGPT is going to say, or signal, or not signal potentially, I kind of know the flow, which is like we get a couple of these candles. Um, I get priced to make a brand new low, and then make a new low and close decently away from its. So this candle closed moderately far away from its low. I kind of know that one of these candles, I thought it would be this one, or I thought it was going to be this one, but this one here is going to be a reversal. Typically, ChatGPT will give me a super high confidence score, and I know that's going to be a reversal. But short here. I'll go sell right there. This one can be tricky. Ah, fuck. Back down 600 bucks. Well, we just erased all our goodwill in 2 trades. That's always great. All right, so no more trading this little zone until we get out of it. It pisses me off because we know better. Come on. All right, so we're just kind of patiently waiting here. Okay, room full of negatives. That's always nice. Is there a way to see how many points you can get on Tradeovate? The message, I don't know if there is or not. I haven't found that. Let's go look really quick. Maybe there is data box, drawing tools, maybe a drawing tool. Let's see. I don't know if there is one. No, not a whole lot there. No, I don't think there is. I would like to have one there though, so I don't have to jump back and forth here. But a much lower average confidence score though than we're used to. I'll tell you that. Let's see what we got here. Short. Bad fill, I would say, but let's. Ooh, damn! Price just ran I knew we shouldn't have traded inside the zone, but I kind of thought if we got a decent move there, man, price is really kicking my butt today. It's 3 L's in a row, I think. All right, we wait for price to move out of here. But choppy. McBee, it really does. This is trash. This is trash. We just need price to open up a little bit. We'll be all right. What are you gonna do? All right. Really, this is a game of like once price settles down, we just gotta wait for it to make a new move. Bust out of this zone, and then we can take a long up or down. Now there are probably a couple trades that I was a little aggressive on and lost. I think there's one or two that I was aggressive on and won. So like that, there's some improvement for me too. Like it's not all on GPT. Like I definitely have some errors there too. But for price to be, we're not really getting a ton of similar movements. You know, continuous up or down. ATR is a little lower than it's typically been. So we'll just sit here and wait. GPT likes a short. Okay. Yeah, exactly. McBee is exactly right. If you can finish these types of days green, then you're in good shape. Then you're in good shape. I got to fine tune ChatGPT to figure out, or at least see um, some of these things. No, okay. Not a bad signal there though. 35 says short as well, of course. Markets are down a little much. Gold is up barely, or by a point, I guess, or percentage. Well, there's a nice signal, oh, isn't there? All right, we are eligible now to start trading again, assuming this thing holds. Let's see. Price is basically it's recreating all of these brand new levels, but it takes 2 or 3 candles at a time, and then chop. Two, three. Here's 4 candles. Chop. Here's 1 candle. Let's see if if the next couple can hold in there for us as well. Oh, okay. New signal here in about 10 seconds. So we'll watch that. And I got to trade my ass back up to where I need to be. Okay. Go sell one right there. And good choice. Holy cow. Don't know what I did to deserve this, but I'll take it. All right, we are down 146 now. That was a change in fortune. If I ever saw one before, might have been the best trade I've seen ChatGPT give me so far. That 600 bucks. That was by far the best one I've seen. Another short here. I know price is going to roll back up. I know it is. I got to see if I can get price to come back down a little bit before avoiding. Yeah. Come on. I know you want to keep going down. You don't just want to stop. That's fine. All right, we're down $300 again. All right, that's fine. Get back a little bit of that. You're bad. You're bad. Good, good. Okay. Motherfucker. I shouldn't get that back. All right. Not bad. All right. Well, we gave back a little bit of profit, but all in all, a really nice trade there. That helps. These are the trades where, like, if I could avoid these, that'd be sick. I the only way I can avoid those types of trades is just by marking them as bad trades. Let's see, we have a short here. This one makes me nervous. I'll go sell. Stop. Let's see what price wants to do here. Good. Back down just $89. Solid there. Better. Okay. Another signal here. Short. We're gonna wait. Maybe I shouldn't have waited. We'll wait this one out. Okay. I think, and you guys let me know if I'm wrong, but I think that maybe the number one thing that would help this system be better is avoiding choppiness, like giving very low confidence scores while price is ranging and not moving. Now, I'm not 100% sure there's a system indicator setup that can predict this stuff other than just doing straight up machine learning, which we will do. But if I could give it a head start by saying, hey, like if X, Y, Z is true, then this is what we need. I think if I could do that, we'd be in good shape. Because for the most part, like we kind of nail these things when they're moving. We just get crunched when price is choppy. So sell right there. This one might be the risk that I didn't need to take. Okay. Down $79. We are almost back to even. I cannot believe that it's taken us this long to do this. 40. I'll call it good. Didn't give this one enough room apparently. Fine. All right. I mean, we busted through so many levels. So the 300 level has my eye now because I know price wants to dance here. I know it does. It danced on this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and then now we're kind of rejecting and moving lower potentially. I could see price rolling back up to it. 3, 2, 1, new signal here. Sell signal there, short. Is that enough room? It's got to be enough room. $73. This has me cautious. I'll be honest with you. I think this candle's going to run up big green here. I'm just kind of nervous about it. And so I didn't want to risk my stop being negative if I could get it to be positive. Usually I'm right about these things. This time I'm wrong about that. So could have made a little more money. I don't know how much more. Price is moving quick. But damn. I mean, I guess it's a good signal, right? I don't know. It's yeah, it's just probably no. Seven. The answer is no. Yeah, back to 300 level makes sense to me. All right, I thought I can just mark these as wrong. I already know price is just gonna just be like, yeah, we're gonna test that level again. Now to be exact, that's kind of what I'm looking at. So there it is. Yep, there's our test. There's our retest. Just like I knew it would come. Again, those even numbers, price loves an even number. Price loves an even number. How did you do today? Kyle, I am just holy fuck. I am just back to break even on my account. We were down 820 and we battled back to just down 79 bucks, which is great. I don't I mean, who can explain to me why price just jumped that many points? New signal here, long. I can't take it because yeah, I can't. Price has been so unpredictable today. I can't take that trade. I want to. I really want to, but how price decided to move 62 points from its low in 1 minute is beyond me. So it breaks all the structures that we just talked about. Okay, so we have this kind of this high now. All right, let's just see what price wants to do. We'll kind of just wait around here. Man, what a weird. I mean, I guess hell of a signal, ChatGPT, but like, what in the world's going on? All right, we'll look at trade of 8, I guess. All right, let's do this. All right, so we erased all that negative movement. I'm not sure why, but okay. Now it seems pretty unbelievable to me that we would get a negative move here. So let's just see if we can get price to pause here, go up. Okay. God, we're gonna trail this bad boy. We got hit. We're down 17 bucks now, just at break even. I can't believe we missed out on that. My gut wants me to go long on it, but we'll just wait and be patient. Get the next one. Brick. Can't believe we missed out on that one. Okay. Not sure what to think about this right now. Uh, Good signals, both of you guys. That was a great movement. I'm just not sure what to think about this. I mean, look at this. I've got, 100 points in change of movement that I don't like. What? 120 points here. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with this. Long? You sure? Like, all right, I'll take it, but man, I'm not confident. Wow. Oh, we had a chance. Fuck. We had a chance though. Went down 171. Hmm. If this thing goes green and big green, I'll be sick because ah, okay. I wasn't too bad, but let's see how much room I had to get that thing before it moved. The ATR is, by the way, off the charts now. It's at 30, off the charts. I know price is going to settle down here. Oh man, had we waited a little bit, I guess we would have had a decent little move, but that was a tough one altogether. That's fine. Damn, I got the 2 minute and the 1 minute. Like, we have no clue. Wow, that is nuts. Mr. Edgar, I'm good, my friend. Yeah, facts, Kyle. If we can just get to green, it's like, whoa, man, that'd be great. But we'll see. We'll get there. Um, we'll get there. I mean, price is just, I don't know what occurred to cause price to move like that, but wow. Sell? We're getting bullied back and forth. We're down $400 again. Damn. All right. It's time to chill on the chop for a second. Is the ATR too high for me? Is that the case? Huh. It's pretty clear we've made this kind of our new bottom. So let's see if which is still a huge. I mean, look at that. 70 points. That's a ton of movement. There's a ton of movement. I'm really wondering what Price wants to do here. Sorry about that. Let's go here. Um, I see. Okay, short signal here. Not a good idea. Hmm. Okay, we've got price up here. There's a big gap between this high of this candle and the top of that. GPT is having a very difficult time taking the right trade here. Long and long. This candle gets back to even or something, we can take it, but if not, we'll just wait. Nope. Okay, so then I would say that this right here is going to be my range. Call it 50 points. We can shrink that down just a little bit. Okay. There's price breaking structure a little bit. Good. Man, 401. I cannot believe we're back down to 4. We were so close to getting profitable there. What our stats look like 64%. Yeah, we've been getting our butt kicked. This is probably our worst trading afternoon I've seen or we've had in a while. 71 trades, 46 wins, 24 losses. Our biggest win being 595, which is pretty nice. Our biggest loss being 225, which is great. So we just got to tighten the screws a little bit and get back to work here. We only need about 2 trades, I would say, to get us to where we need to be. Let's see what we got here. Sell. Down 250. Nice. Okay. This is why I have my stop so tight on those bigger moves. Is you get price to roll down, and I never got a chance to capture any of this. Price moved way too fast for me, but I did. I would never want price to roll back and start going green on me. That's just ugly. We don't want that. So now today's one of those days where it's like whatever the candle opens up as, it damn near goes in that direction. So another short here. I'm not as confident in this one, so we're gonna wait. You were right. I didn't trust you, GPT. Sorry. Could have been back to even. All right. Okay. New signal here in about 10 seconds. So let's see if we can get price to break kind of right here. That's what I'm looking at, and then we'll decide what we want to play, where we want to place this. Short signal, sell, stop, and run. Nice. 50 bucks on that one, I think. Down to 219. Actually, how good of a signal was that? 9 points in counting versus okay, it was a decent. So new bottom here at this 19, and really we're back to testing this 19,300 level again. We're back here. Price ran away from it. We got to 19,275, ran away, which was insane. And then price came back, and here we are retesting this thing. Now this is a typical candle I would go short on, but I'm gonna wait here. I'm not gonna take this trade. I'm just gonna sit back and relax for a second, because I do know that it's possible to lose on these, because I've done it before. I'll mark you as bad for now, and let's see what happens. Now, if you do the thing that I think you're going to do, I'll be pissed because I should have taken it. All right. Tick measure, please justify my actions. Down was 7 points, up was 10 points. Okay, so it's still a bad signal unless price makes a brand new low, which we can then move over in this one. All right, so price not doing too much here. Definitely stalling out. This is prime setup for a big green candle to come run through. This is what this is, a prime setup for a massive green candle to come and take my lunch. So short signal here looks good to start, and it's gonna look good the entire time. Okay, so we'll place, oh man. All right, so there's no longer our support level there. I gotta go to a higher chart time frame just for a second. Show me something. Okay, so we're really bottoming right here. As the same as before. All right. Okay. Let's see what we got here. All right. Big wick down. That typically leads to nice green candle following. Your signal. Short again. Now I've been waiting for this mythical green candle to come through and eat some of this up. I don't know when it's going to happen, and so it's kind of annoying that I haven't seen it just yet. I'm sorry, this should not be good. That should be that. Kind of sat this one out. I'm kind of annoyed about it. Money glitch. What's good? What's good? New around here? Yes, you are. Mr. Edgar said, "Will you?" I don't know what you meant though, my friend. Try to use bar high, low stop to find good bad signal. Hold on here. Kind of, kind of. I think it's pretty obvious. Like, I think if we just look at the candle and said, okay, you get one specific signal, um, you know, what do you think is the best direction? Like, if I said we went short on this candle, you'd be like, well, I don't know if that was the right decision. Um, oh wow, okay, shorts were these two as well. So you're a bad one. So using the high and low is fine, but it's more just like look at the candle. Like if so on this green candle right here, what was a better decision? Probably to go long than short. This candle here looks like it's better to go short than long starting out. Let's see how it finishes. Money Glitch says, yeah, basically you give ChatGPT a nice payload of information and then it makes a decision for you. And then those decisions are plotted on this chart here. Now this candle's pretty much in between. By the way, this green candle was the boogeyman I was waiting on. It just took a little bit longer to come through. 8 points there, 7 there. Yeah, bad signal, both you guys. Flat, neutral, it's fine. Remember, we basically are looking at, whoops, this level. Let me grab you, damn. Right here. It's kind of what I'm looking at. So I would like to take a short below here and really, like I need to mark that because that's the low. Markets down, just trenches. Look at all this. Yumminess. Palantir. Palantir touched 110. It would just never, not seeing those glory days again. It's going to be a rough little stretch here. Tesla erasing all those goodwills. Can you use relative volume last candle to measure strength of move? Can you use relative volume of last candle to measure strength of move? I don't know. Let me see here. Let's see. Nice signal there-ish. Let's see on this one. Lisandra. So based on the feedback I'm getting from ChatGPT and Grok and Claude and all the other ones that we've tried, Gemini, relative volume is somewhat important. I'm talking like right in my computer. It's somewhat important, but not more important than other things. So I would say if you're gonna put like, I wouldn't put too much emphasis on relative volume, only because, and this is what I'm learning is like, volume rarely can volume show you where a reversal is to occur. Like it's pretty rare. Um, and so like I'm having trouble with that right now too, which is like a lot of these signals are good, but then when price gets choppy, like it gets a little tough. My confidence scores don't typically reflect choppiness, if that makes sense. And so I need to adjust that if I can. So like ideally we'd have low confidence scores. I mean like in like the 50s or the 40s, like really low instead of 76 because right now all of my confidence scores are basically the same. Delta volume, which is different by some volume, that could help you in your decision. It could. Delta volume does help in the decision. It is. That's one of the ones I use, delta volume. Delta volume is really good. It's a really good one. Let's see. Ultimately, and the end goal is that let's see if price can, it's not going to break this little stupid structure. It's a good signal though. Short. I'll take it. Let's see. Oh, never want your stop to do that. No. Shit. That was annoying. Down 400 bucks again. I had a chance to set my stop. Price moved a little too fast. It rejected it, and then price ran way too fast on me. 82 confidence, too high. That's a key for reversal right now. Too high. The goal is over time that you wouldn't necessarily even need the payload to be like accurate. You would just need a good reference point, and so that's what you want to train these models for, or train these models on. Neutral weight. I'm getting my ass cooked. I don't know why. We're down 408 in this account. We gotta do better. But hopefully over time, we move into a situation where the payloads just have to match previous recorded data, previous recorded like trades that were marked good or bad, and then that would give the model, not ChatGPT, a new one, a reinforced learning one, that would give it the ability to actually like take really good trades. Okay, that thing is gone like the wind. Good stuff here. Okay, so price is like, okay, we're not doing the 300 level. We're done with that. Now we're moving on. I don't know where the top of this bad boy is going to be, but we will definitely trade it. Yeah. Okay. New signal here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. A little delayed, aren't we? Oh, really delayed here. What's going on? Damn, 15-second delay. That's not great. We don't want that, now do we? It was a bad trade, so good thing we didn't have the. Good thing we waited. This is why I want to wait for these signals. Not that it would have given us a great edge, but data is king, my friend. You are correct. Lisandro, you're blowing me up. What's going on? Hold on here. Let's see what we got. Sell signal here. Let's go stop right there. See if price can extend for us here a little bit. Down 393, so not a whole lot there. What you could do is successful trades saved. Yeah, well, they're saved in the database, my friend. So they're there. Patterns based on current data and successful trades. Yeah, so you have to do both. You have to do non-successful trades too. You have to trade the opposite side, because if you get a bunch of trades, like you won't get, to say differently, you want to train both sides because the bad signals are just as important. Like they're just as important because if you start doing pattern recognition, you see, okay, bad signal, bad signal, bad signal, they all look like this. Then every time we get a new signal, it's like, okay, cool. Does it match one of those bad ones? If it does, okay, we should give a low confidence score potentially. Short, stop, and let's see if price can cooperate. I don't think it's going to. Oh man, what happened here? All right, what is going on? Oh, what the heck? Stop me out for this account for today. What? That was weird. My stop got hit at 3 something. It didn't fully exit, and so lost $1,000 on that one. That's tough. Let's jump to this account here. This account will only need to make about 900 bucks to be good, so we'll be a little more patient on this one. It's fucking stupid. Just about that. That happens every once in a while where, like, I don't know what that was. My stop got hit, but it didn't exit the trade. That happened like once or twice. But anyway, but yes. So these choppy days are really good too because we're going to get an exorbitant amount of trades that are not great, and so that's also really good information for us to have. Man, that first hour was tough. First 2 hours really was tough. Ooh. Let's see if we can get price to open up a little bit for us. We'll just wait for price to kind of sit here. VWAP is all the way up at 470 essentially. 469. So we'll wait. Not a whole lot of threat there. So we will see. We shall see. Now, not a good start to the day there though. Not great. Today just might not be the day for rampaging and making a ton of money. Just might not be the day. Monday was similar to this. We had a good Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we're back here on Thursday, but not great. So we'll see. Maybe we'll see what Friday does. But we'll keep trading though. Okay. Oh, there goes price. Good signal. Hmm. Let's see here. Long signal here. I will take it if price can kind of start to roll back up. There, it kind of did right there. So let's see if I'm correct on this one. Let's see. Whoa. All right. No. Okay, down 209 in this one. All right. Got to battle back a little bit. This is choppy. It is chop, chop, chop. Tough. Okay. Kind of need to wait for price to get outside of this, but really like kind of in here. Huh. Hmm. Okay. Sell right there. See if we can get price to roll. Just trying. Dollar. Late on the entry there, and then we had a tight stop that wasn't going to be beneficial for us. Good signal there though. Bad one there. Bad one there. Yikes. That was a good trade. We didn't capture it at all. All right. We wait. We wait. Because it has been ugly today. Ugly. Only losing $1,000 isn't terrible altogether, but it ain't great. I'll tell you that. It ain't great. Okay. Sell signal there was bad, but that isn't terrible though to start. New signal here. Long. Nope. Okay. Okay. Sell signal. Mm. Sorry. Oops. Here and here. All right, let's see. If this thing can make a move, we'll have a trade. If it can't, I'm kind of thinking that this is our low here. So I was messaging with the team. Um, let's see what we got. I'm thinking short, and if it's good, I'll take it. 3, 2, 1. Sell. All right. Stop. Ah, 202. Tough. Like, what in the world? Good signal, or good trade, I guess, but good signal, but maybe not. Let's see. This is what I was afraid of the whole time. Let's see. 4 points, 6 points. All right. That's in counting, so it's still a good signal. Short, good. It's moved way too fast for us. Way too fast for this one. LVV, what's going on, my friend? We're using ChatGPT to take these trades. ChatGPT sends us a new signal every minute. Every minute, my friend. And we take those signals. And I say we, it's not available yet. I'm just kind of live testing it with you guys. We are live demonstrating. Happy to have you back, though, LVV. Happy to see you back in the chat. Nope, nope. Not good. All right. Let's see what we got here. Plenty of chop. All right. Well, we got price really doing nothing, and so there's not a whole reason for us to trade any of this really. Let's just call it a day right here. Not the best of days. Down 1,000 in one of our accounts. Down 200 bucks in this one. So minus 1,200 bucks here. Yesterday was a great day. Today we gave back a little bit of profit, which is fine. So hopefully we can finish tomorrow or finish the week tomorrow nicely. So hoping for some more open and nice moving price. Today is a little bit choppy. So hopefully we can get a little bit of clarity tomorrow. So anyway, good stuff today. I got a few things I need to work on as well, just to hopefully improve this strategy, so that ChatGPT can send me even better signals than it already is. But we'll keep it rolling. So I really appreciate you guys' support. I will be back tomorrow. If you have questions, shoot me a DM or send me an email, either or. And I will talk to you very soon. Peace, guys.